Good morning, friend. Now today we have to discuss important theorem related the triangle. Already you have know the sum of angle of triangle is 180. આપણે બધાને ખબર છે કે sum of angle of triangle is 180. But it કેમ થાય? How? That is why it is important to understand. But according to the board pattern, કોઈ પણ theorem prove કરવું હોય તો one is statement. So here statement is given. So in board rules, board માં 4 marks નો આવે theorem. So 4 marks theorem માં what we have to write? Given એનો half marks હોય. To prove એનો પણ half marks હોય. Proof એના 2.5 marks હોય. અને diagram or we can say figure એના half marks. આવી રીતે એના 4 marks નું weightage હોય. So because પહેલા આ 10th માં આવતું, now it should be in 9th. So before we start it, how we have to write the theorem? So first it is called statement. So in board statement is given. It is called statement. આ statement sum of angle of triangle is 180. board માં આવું પૂછાતું. So first what we have to write out? Given. આપણે આમાંથી given લખવું જોઈએ. So what we have to, I am writing it here, given. We are given a triangle. So આપણે લખવું છે in triangle PQR. એક triangle છે PQR and 1, 2 and 3 are the angles of comma angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are angles of triangle PQR. So that way you have to write. તમારે લખતું જવું જોઈએ તો you have to write it. First પાછું શું? Given in triangle PQR, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 are the angles of triangle PQR. To prove, what I have to prove? Okay, sum of angles of triangle is 180. Sum of the angles of triangle is 180. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. To prove, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Now proof. So before we start proof, કોઈ વખત શું થતું હોય, proof start કરતા પહેલા આમાં કંઈક ખામી હોય. So we have to construct. તો અહીં લખ્યું છે let draw a line xpy parallel to qr. તો અહીંયા લખવું પડે construct. First આવશે construct. What we have to construct? Draw a line xpy parallel to qr through the opposite vertex P. Again, let us draw a line xpy parallel to qr. Construct શું કરવાનું છે? Draw a line xpy parallel to QR through the opposite vertex P. It is not necessary to write. આટલું. Draw a line xpy parallel to QR. So our figure is now converted into હવે આવો figure બની જશે. That is our original figure. So it is not necessary to do the two figure. બે figure કોઈ પણ જગ્યાએ draw કરવાના નહીં. Only one figure we have to construct. So here figure is, now we have to convert this figure. આ figure બની ગયો. Triangle PQR is there. One line parallel to the QR pass from the P. So we can use the property. It is not necessary to write આટલું લખવું જોઈએ. First point that is given, second point to prove, and third point proof. Construct, draw a line XPY parallel to QR. આટલું બધાય લખી લેવું જોઈએ. Now we go for proof. Everyone clear this or not? I think બધાને સમજાઈ ગયું હોવું જોઈએ. Given છે in triangle PQR angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are the angles of triangle PQR. To prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 180 we have to prove. To prove આ proof કરવાનું છે. Proof start કરીએ. Construct, first of all we have to construct, then we go for the points. Now XPY is a line, therefore angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 1. So we have to give the name. Now if you will see, અહીંથી step start થાય. Now in XPY line, XPY is a straight line, therefore angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. અહીં બ્રેકેટમાં લખવાનું linear pair. What we have to write? Linear pair. Angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. બ્રેકેટમાં લખવાનું linear pair. But XPY parallel to QR, and if you will set QR and XPY is parallel to QR, and PQ and PR are transversal line. So if you will see here, it is a transversal line. આ પણ એક transversal line કહેવાય. So આમ Z બને. So we can say alternate angle ની pair બને. Next, અહીંયા પણ Z બને. Here it is also Z. So again alternate angle pair. So that is a second step. But XPY parallel to QR and PQ and PR are transversal. So angle 4 is equal to angle 2. If you will see, angle 2 and 4 are equal because alternate angle pair. Angle 5 and 3 are equal because of pair of alternate angle. So what we have to do now? If you will see properly, 4 ના બદલે શું પુટ અપ કરી શકાશે? 2. So અહીંયા પુટ અપ 2 થઈ જશે. 5 ના બદલે શું પુટ અપ કરી શકાશે? 3. So we have to put at here 3. So that is why અહીં લખ્યું છે substituting angle 4, angle 5 and equation number 1. Substituting angle 4, angle 5. Angle 4 ના બદલે કોને લખવાનું? Angle 2. Angle 5 ના બદલે angle 3. So angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. If we make a sequence, then angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Hence proved. That is a symbol to prove theorem. કોઈ પણ theorem prove થઈ જાય એટલે અહીં લખી નાખવાનું. પછી લખવાનું hence proved. Hence proved. Always remember to get 4 marks. પછી ફરી પાછું explain કરું. It is too much easy theorem અને આ theorem examમાં પૂછાય. What we have to prove? શું statement હતું? Sum of angle of triangle is 180. એમાં given શું લખવું જોઈએ પહેલા? તો કે in triangle PQR, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 are the angles of triangle PQR. To prove શું કરવાનું? Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Proof માટે first of construct કર્યું. Draw a line XPY parallel to QR. Now from here we have to write, now XPY is a line, therefore angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 is equal to 180. But XPY parallel to QR, PQ and PR are the transversal. So angle 4 is equal to angle 2, angle 5 is equal to angle 3. So pair of alternate angle because it is Z. So substituting value, 4 is equal to 2 and 5 is equal to 3. Angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. Therefore 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180. Hence it is proved. I think it is sufficient and you have to write it in your fair book anyhow this. Now next theorem we go. Now some statements are there. One more extra theorem is there. It is called exterior. What is the meaning of exterior? PRS is called an exterior angle of PQR. PQR નું કોઈ પૂછે exterior angle Q છે તો PRS is the exterior angle. Recall you have studied the information of exterior angles of triangle in earlier classes. So QR, if you will see, QR is produced to point S. QR ની એક લાઈન એક્સટેન્ડ કરો એટલે S point મળે. So PRS is called the exterior of triangle PQR. શા માટે જરૂરી છે ખબર? There is a one proof. આમાં એક proof છે. If you will see that, we know that exterior angle, see exterior angle, exterior angle છે 4. So we have to prove that 4 is equal to 1 plus 2. But how? So 3 plus 4 is equal to 180. 3 plus 4. Why? Because of linear pair. I lucky the linear pair. So a linear pair is there, it is 180. So 3 plus 4 is equal to 180. But we know that 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180. That is sum of triangle of angle is now. So from equation 1 and 2 we can see that 1 and 2 ઉપરથી આપણે ખબર પડે angle 4. If you will see, હવે હું અહીંયા put up કરી દઉં angle 3 plus angle 4. So angle 3 cut. So angle 4 is equal to 1 plus 2. So angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Simple logic is exterior angle is sum of two interior angle. If here it is 35, અહીંયા 35 આપ્યો હોય, અહીંયા 40 આપ્યો હોય, તો 35 plus 40 that is 70. Because angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. That is theorem 6.8. So now one more theorem we have to understand. That is theorem 6. If a side of triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angles. So we can construct like that. Construct કરી શકીએ આપણે ABC, and here we have to point D. Then angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. We can easily understand this theorem by using example 7. હવે આપણે example 7 સમજીએ તો એના ઉપરથી આપણે ખબર પડી જશે. So one example 7 is here. We are using this property. In figure 6.37, if QT perpendicular to PR, QT perpendicular to PR, and TQR, so TQR here it is 40, SPR, SPR 30. Find X and Y. I have to find out this Y and this X. So first of all, if you will see in triangle TQR, so TQR, so here 190 degree, here 140, so we can easily find out X. So 90 plus 40 plus X equal to 180. Sum angle sum property. So in triangle sum of angle is 180. So if you will total it, 130. 180 minus 130. 180 minus 130. We can get answer 50. So we have got answer 50. Now we are using the theorem. See now to find out Y. Y find out કરવાનો છે. So Y is equal to SPR plus X. Y is equal to, if I will draw again, so here P, here S, here R. Already we get this 50. અહીંયા પણ મળી ગયા Q1 that is 30, and we have to find out this. PSQ. PSQ. Y means what? Y find out karo. Y એટલે PSQ. So y. So we can use exterior angle formula, that is y is equal to 30 plus 50. That is why y is equal to 80. So we have also proved this theorem, that is we have proved theorem 6.7 and 6.8. We have to remember it, and by using 6.8 we have find out question example 7. Now we go for exercise. હવે exercise માં જાશું અને આ two property નો use કરી we are finding the sum. So here 6.3 exercise, and we have two question. Number 1 is here. 1, 2, 3 and 4 all are figure based, and we have to use the property. So question number first figure is 6.39. So here it is a figure. Now if I want to prove, if you will see properly, here one linear pair is there. What I have to find out? PRO. What is PRO? So P R Q. So I have to find out this. I am extend kar X. That I have to find out. So first of all I have to find out this, and I will find out kari lઈશ. If I will write y at here, now I am question number 1 prove at here. We know that y plus 135 is equal to 80. Y plus 135 is equal to 180. Why? Because linear pair. It is linear pair. So y plus 135 is equal to 180. So y is equal to 180 minus 135. So y is equal to, right, 45. So y I have got 45 by using linear pair theorem. Now we know that exterior angle sum, here it is a property of sum of angle. Here exterior angle property, part 2. Question number 1, that is part first. Here it is part 2. So 110 is equal to x plus y. So x plus y is equal to 110. Why it is? Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property is that sum of interior opposite angle. But we know that y is equal to 45. So x plus 45 is equal to 110. So x is equal to 110 minus 45. Therefore y x is equal to, I have to write 65. So here we have got 65, here we have got 45. So if you will see properly, I am using the identity, that is theorem 6.7 and 6.8. Two things I am used and we are doing. So I think now 6.3 question number we have completed. Same question 2, 3, 4 all are same, and this is the last exercise, and we have to go up to the 5 sums, and then we have complete the lesson. So question number 2 is there. So question number 2, if you will see here 62, here 54, so we can easily find out this, because we have to find out OZY. So OZY, so that we have to find out. But પેલા આખું મળી જશે, પછી એનું bisector હોય. Here these are all the bisector. What is the meaning of bisector? It will divide into 2. એટલે અહીંયા પણ 27 થશે. Here it is 27. So 62 plus 54. So 116. So 180 minus 116. that is 64. So 64 half is 32. Question is O Z Y and Y O Z. Y O Z. So 27, 32 already we have got. So by using property of 180, we can also find out this 32 plus 27. So 69. So 180 minus 69, you will get this answer. But again I am say you have to try it yourself. In next lecture we go through it. So I think this is sufficient today. We have completed 2 theorem and question number 1 and 2. Try to solve yourself exercise, last exercise, that is question only 1 to 6 are there. Out of these 5 questions I have to complete.